The most beautiful 5 hotels in Spain. Ushuaia Ibiza Beach Hotel. The Ushuaia Ibiza Beach Hotel is located on Playa Don Bassa Beach and has 3 outdoor pools with spacious sun loungers. Entrance to live DJ performances offered by the hotel is free for guests. The sparsely furnished rooms have air conditioning, a 42-inch plasma TV, and an iPod port. They also have a deck that is equipped. There are 2 distinct buildings that make up the Ushuaia Ibiza Beach Hotel. The bedrooms and the hotel's renowned parties are located in the Ushuaia Club. Balinese beds, an outdoor pool, a poolside cocktail bar, and 24-hour room service are available at the upscale Ushuaia Tower. The hotel has 2 restaurants, the Mediterranean-inspired Beach Club and the Japanese fusion Minami with a Zen garden. Steaks and other grilled meats are the specialty of the Montauk Steakhouse restaurant on the property. Red level at Gran Melia Palacio de Isora. Every suite in this seaside hotel offers a customized butler service. Balinese beds and hydromassage loungers can be found by the outdoor pool. Every accommodation has a private patio with views of the ocean or a garden. An exclusive, private part of the Gran Melia Palacio de Isora is known as the Red Level. All hotel amenities are available to guests, including a variety of international restaurants, 8 bars, one of which is a beach bar, an infinity pool designed to resemble a lagoon, a sun terrace, and tennis courts. At the Red Level, every room is large and stylish and has complimentary Wi-Fi, an iPod dock, and a coffee maker. There is a hydro-massage shower and a large bathtub in the bathrooms. Free tea and coffee are available all day long in the upscale Red Level Lounge. A business center and a poolside bar are also included. Iberostar Selection Sabila. On Tenerife's Costa Adaje, the Iberostar Sabila is situated on Fabe Beach. Large gardens are present, there is free Wi-Fi available all across the place. The Iberostar Sabila offers accommodations with balconies and private bathrooms with hairdryers. Each room has satellite TV as well. There are several bars and a buffet-style restaurant at the Iberostar Sabila. These include the bar in the lobby with a balcony and the poolside bar with food and drinks. A gourmet market offering a distinctive culinary experience enhanced by music is available on site for guests. The hotel has a fitness center, and the Spa Sensations provides a spa circuit and other wellness and cosmetic services. The Puerto Colón neighborhood, where there are numerous eateries, pubs, and nightclubs, is only a 10-minute walk from the hotel. The hotel is 20 minutes drive from Tenerife South Airport. Bless Hotel Ibiza. Located in a peaceful area of eastern Ibiza, Bless Hotel Ibiza has views of the Mediterranean Sea and the island of Tagomago. Direct access to the beach and an outdoor infinity pool are also attractions. An own furnished terrace or balcony, satellite TV, and an iPod docking station are included in every air-conditioned accommodation. A desk, safe, and fan are all included. There is a shower, a hairdryer, and complimentary amenities in the private bathroom. There is a bar, a restaurant, and a reception area in the hotel. Martin Barasategui, a chef with 12 Michelin stars, oversees the establishment's restaurant, which offers both domestic and foreign food. There are also meeting spaces, a spa, and a gym on the premises. One of the most well-known hippie markets on the island is located in the adjacent resort of Es Canar. Santa Eulalia is just 5 kilometers away. Hard Rock Hotel Ibiza. In Playa Don Bassa, the Hard Rock Hotel Ibiza is positioned directly on the shore. This contemporary hotel boasts a sizable outdoor stage where major concerts are held each week. There is free Wi-Fi available all across the place. This spacious hotel features a spa with a hot tub, sauna, and gym in addition to 2 outdoor pools. Next to the hotel, there is a posh private beach club with a beach bar and a variety of chill-out spaces. A variety of musical memorabilia is displayed around Hard Rock Ibiza. A flat-screen TV, a minibar, and a private bathroom with a hairdryer, a bathrobe, and slippers are included in the chic, air-conditioned rooms. The windows are likewise covered in blackout drapes. There are several pubs and 6 restaurants on site. There is a venue for teenagers at the hotel as well as a kids' entertainment schedule. The Hard Rock Hotel Ibiza is within 7 minutes drive from Ibiza Airport. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.